So welcome back to another video on Inspired Automotive's Mini Cooper S. We're going to be swapping standard edge unit out for an Apple Carplay unit, which is somewhere. First off, you've got to take this top trim off. Then we can pull bezel off for it as main clocks. We've got two Torx bolts, one either side, and a push clip at top. So if we undo these Torx bolts, pop that clip out at top, this will come out, and then we can start dismantling this and start installing his new Apple CarPlay. Simple, two Torx bolts, a little pop clip at top that pushes on this, pulls all clock out. I'll show you what, there's a few clips on back. We've got to take some more Torx bolts out. That'll pull his screen out. So we'll do that. Once the screen's out, I'll show you Apple CarPlay that we're going to get fitted inside this Mini Cooper. We've already done back lights, we've already fixed exhaust. This is going to bring it up to current standard. Watch this transformation. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips to remove. Just pull these out. I'm hoping I can get this one out without breaking it. There we go. Come on, you bastard. So we've just removed his clocks. Turns out Mitch being Mitch has told me we don't actually need to remove screen, so I won't be removing them Torx bolts. It's just a case of adding some extra wires, the Apple CarPlay box. So now we can start by putting this all back together, getting this new box in and reconfiguring all these cables to make his Apple CarPlay work. So this is his box, what we've got to fit somewhere. I think it goes down behind glove box, which we can shove down there, but we'll find out in a minute. These are all his extra wires, which we need to fit inside his clock, well, behind his edge unit. That needs plugging in, not the bag. That needs plugging in, but we don't actually use that because it's reverse camera, and we're not installing a reverse camera in this. So let's see where all these wires belong. Right, we unboxed everything, we've put it all together. I mean, if you just look at this, we've got a lot of wiring to put back in, but we've put it all in, see what we needed to put in where. It's pretty good instructions, to be honest, but we'll start car up, we'll see if we can get Apple CarPlay working. There it is, as Apple CarPlay is working. On these, turn sound off. You've got to press an alt menu button. It's a bit like an iDrive system in a BMW. Press an alt menu button, a couple of seconds, it'll go back to the normal screen. So when you first plug it in, it'll come up with a screen like this. Maybe not with tyre pressure light on there. But press and hold this menu button, 1, 2, 3, and it'll swap straight over to Apple CarPlay. We need AUX cable plugged in, otherwise we'll get no sound, so we need to route that where we need to put it. But basically on iDrive system, you can just use it as normal, and that looks 10 times better than what it did before. So we're going to get all these wires routed back to where they are, nice and neat, tucked out of the way, and we'll show you finished product when car's fully built back up, as vents are in, all his trims are back in, so I'll catch you in a minute. Right, so that's this other modification done on this F56 Mini Cooper S down at Inspired Automotive. We've got all those trims back in, and I'll show you finished product, what it looks like. All trims are back in, and it looks so factory, it's completely unbelievable. Watch this. Now you tell me, does that not make this Mini look so much newer than what it did previous? We've done his lights. What else have we done? We've sorted his exhausts. We've done his Apple CarPlay now. We'll see what other bits we've got to put on. If you want an Apple CarPlay unit fitting, head over to Inspired Automotive, go on the YouTube, Facebook, or you can drop them an email. They've got a website with an email address. If you want an Apple CarPlay fitting, you know exactly where to come. If you like this video and you want one, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.